The best herbs are those coming from. So for today's episode, we'll be using one of our herbs here in the garden. So welcome to Gio's Digibite Kitchen. I missed everyone. I have to admit, I haven't been that active for the past few weeks because of the good stuff. I was able to teach in two universities. I gave a guest lecture about marketing. I have also been attending prayer meetings in anticipation for the consecration of Saint Joseph this coming May. Today's recipe is very interesting because I discovered this way back during the time where the internet didn't have everything yet. Resources were very limited. And I happened to have tasted a good dish called Iberian chicken in one of the hotels in Manila. And it really intrigued me because it was so bursting with flavor. And I still recall when I was still young, I was able to finish a whole platter all for myself. So when I was able to eat it, we did very heavy research because when you typed Iberian chicken on the internet back then, you won't see anything. And the recipe I'm going to share with you has been improved in so many years that we were able to perfect it. So, today's vlog is very, very special because I have invited two of my good friends to tell you more about the Iberian chicken. So, the first person I want all of you to meet is Tara. So, Tara, the floor is yours.
Hey guys! So Gio actually asked me to share my thoughts about this particular recipe. He said like there were only a very few ingredients that went into this dish. So I was like, okay, like I didn't expect so much from it. But when we tried it, it was so good. Like the laman of the thigh, it was like really, really soft, really tender. And you can taste all of the spices, all of the garlic, the pepper, the lemon, and the rosemary that went into this dish. And alam mo yung, ano yung term na yun? Parang nanunuot yung sarap, yung lasa. Because he loved using chicken leg quarters. So even if it was in the middle part of already of the drumstick or yung part ng thigh na nasa taas ng buto, may lasa pa rin siya and you can really taste the love that went into this dish. I particularly like all the garlic bits, and what I do is I actually mash up all the garlic bits and I scoop the olive oil on top of my rice. I know it sounds really bad, but it's really, really good. And then you mix it all up with the garlic, and it makes the dish taste 10 times better. And the chicken is very, very tender, so all of you can practically eat everything. And just to prove that point, our friend actually accidentally ate a lemon rind. So, hi, if you're watching this, you know who you are. You ate the lemon rind of Gio's Iberian chicken. But guys, honestly, once you try this dish, I think that I couldn't imagine having baked chicken any other way. This Iberian chicken is really, really good. So, if you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell.
Teka Tara, parang spills ko yun ah.
And Gio will be posting so many other recipes that he would love to share with you. So see you guys again next time.
Grabe si Tara, wala akong masabi. If I only have a single camera shot, si Tara may mga angles pa. But yes, Tara and I really enjoyed bonding together with food. And I'm very happy she enjoyed this Iberian chicken. And tandaan niyo yung sinabi niya, she loved eating it with a lot of rice because the sauce is already ulam for her. Now, aside from Tara, I have invited one of my good friends as well, Mila, to share with you her feedback about my Iberian chicken. Mila, take it away!
I've always been a fan of Gio's Iberian chicken since day one because it's super tasty, even if it's made with the simplest ingredients. And of course, it's made with love because it's from Gio. Another thing that I like about this dish is that even if you, you store it and reheat it, it tastes as good as the day you cooked it or even better. Also, don't forget to set aside the sauce once you're done with all the chicken pieces because it's perfect to pair or it serves as a perfect spread for your favorite pandesal or bread. So Gio,
Mila,
I'd like to congratulate you for your Digibites YouTube channel. And please don't forget me the next time you cook your Iberian chicken and save us a couple of pieces because Sabina misses it so much. I know you shared the recipe to me before, but it just doesn't taste as good without your touch. So good luck, more power and more flavor to your recipes.
thanks for the feedback, Mila. And let me try eating Iberian chicken with pandesal. I'm sure it's going to taste so good. And just a fun fact to everyone watching this video, I haven't shared my Iberian chicken recipe with anyone aside from Mila. And by doing this video, this will be the first time it's going to be revealed worldwide. So you're very lucky watching this video. And I just thought of it, instead of cooking Iberian chicken for my family, let me cook this dish for one of my good friends, Candice. So let's go to the kitchen and prepare Candice's Iberian chicken. Let's go! Let's cut some rosemary from the garden. Then prepare quarter cut chicken, your rosemary, garlic, olive oil, nor liquid seasoning, salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, lemon, and chicken cube. Just a tip, use fresh rosemary only. First step is to pat dry your chicken with some paper towels. Don't forget to cut some slits. Once done, transfer your chicken pieces into a pyrex. Now this is where things get a little bit messy. Sorry. So first step is to add generous amounts of garlic. Don't forget, like in our previous vlog, the more garlic, the better the dish will be. So just rub them in. Then add generous amounts of pepper and rub them on your chicken. And do the same thing with lots of garlic powder. Cut the lemon into 4 and squeeze each piece on your chicken, making sure that the juice comes out. And don't forget, don't discard the lemon pieces. Sorry, I know things are getting a little bit messy, but for the next step, just add a few dashes of salt and rub away, Master Chef. And now here comes another hero ingredient, our rosemary. All you have to do is remove the rosemary leaves from the stems, put it on your chicken, and as usual, rub away. Add a few nor liquid seasoning, just enough to give the chicken added flavor. Finally, our last dry ingredient, paprika. So just make sure guys that you put ample amount but not too much because we want to avoid making this dish a little bit spicy. Time to put some olive oil. Make sure that your chicken pieces are not drowning with oil because the chicken will still excrete its own oil. Then bring back the fresh lemon which we told you not to discard. And last is get your chicken broth cube, cut it into 4, and place it in different parts of your baking dish. And there you have it, folks. Our marinade for your Iberian chicken is complete. Time to tuck our baby with a little clear wrap because we have to marinate this dish for more than an hour, or I would prefer overnight. And the long wait is slightly over because you can definitely put your Iberian chicken inside your oven. Although, patience is a virtue because you need to wait for around 4 to 5 hours for the chicken to cook because you have to set your oven at its lowest heat. And the long wait is finally over. Here's your Iberian chicken. But here is an optional step. What I normally do is I torch the chicken skin just to give it a more crisp look. Our chicken is now ready for delivery to Candice. Look at all the herbs, the rosemary, and imagine tasting the olive oil infused with the flavor of the chicken, lemon, and our different spices. Alright, so I just got back home and personally delivered the Iberian chicken to Candice. Let's see what she has to say.
So happy to be trying food from Gio's Digibite kitchen. This is his famous Iberian chicken and it's so flavorful and juicy and super good with rice. Star of the dish is really all of the herbs Gio used. Like look at the garlic, the rosemary, and olive oil, then lemon. It's tangy, it's salty, and just super good. It's a hearty meal for dinner.
Yay! I'm so happy Candice enjoyed her dinner and looking forward to sharing more recipes with you. So before we officially end this vlog, please don't forget to subscribe because you might be watching our videos and you would want to stay updated with what's happening. So we would love to know that. Click the notification button and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at crispygringods. Stay safe everyone! Bye! Thank you.